So one of the easiest method of drawing an ellipse is I call it rhombus. I call it one of the easiest because to me it's the easiest, but I don't know about other person. So first of all, draw the shape of the annulum of a rhombus. Okay, I produce the shape of a rhombus just like a kite. I produce the shape, draw the diagonals of the rhombus. I can use like 80, 120 millimeter. I can use 70, 100 millimeter. I can use 60, 90 millimeter, and so on and so forth. Just draw the diagonals. Then divide the rhombus side into equal parts, and then produce the line. You can see I divide this rhombus from this point to this point, assuming the size is 60 millimeter. I divide it from this point to this point 30, from this point to this point 30, and then from the center point here I produce a line to join the center line. The same thing from the center point here, I produce a line to join the center line. I do the same thing the other side. From this point here, draw the tangency where this line touches. Okay, you can see where I'm saying draw from this point, draw a tangent line at this point. Where this line touches must form is an equal division of these two sides. This side will be equal to this side. Okay, we do the same thing the other side. Okay, and then join your rhombus. How do you do that? From this curve with the center point here, radius of this point to this point, make an arc to touch this one. You do the same thing here. From the radius of this point to this point, make an arc to touch this line here. Do the same thing from radius of this point to this point, make another arc to touch this point here. And the same point here, from radius of this point to this point, make another arc to touch this one here, and it will form a rhombus. An ellipse. Okay, so you can see it here is always in a thick line. So these are the steps. Just as what I've just told you now, you can use any dimension. Here there is 170 millimeter dimension, and you have a perfect formation of an ellipse. So that is it. It's as simple as ABC. So that's why I call it a simple method of drawing an ellipse.